Would you like your clothes to come out of the washing machine with less wrinkles? Select the cycle you want to use. Press the Wrinkle Care option. After the selected cycle is complete, steam easily penetrates into clothes and reduces wrinkles. Wrinkles are minimized by up to 30% for easier ironing. Gentle care with 30% less wrinkles. Would you like to care for your clothes so they are more hygienic and safe for your family? Select the Allergy Care cycle. The heater under the tub increases water temperature. The steam removes 99.9% of allergens. Steam hygiene with 99.9% allergy care. LG Steam Technology.